This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Sought after single-story floor plan, a timeless design with all the right touches and textures that complement the mountain and water view. Easy access level driveway with 3-car garage. This home is as practical as it is elegant in its level of finish. Glass counter backlit bar, custom curved contemporary wood and wire stairway, commercial grade over-the-top cooktop and appliances. This corner lot showcases the park-like gardens landscape. All main floor living with daylight walkout, features 3 private guest suites, a great room and perfect spot for a pool table. Completely redone inside and out from new roof to spa master bath, this home is irreplaceable. Quiet and safe, gorgeous views. Semiahmoo, a perfect choice. Welcome home. For more information